We tested 14 steam cleaners on different surfaces for 3 months, and we found the 5 models that are best at deep cleaning. We tested for stain removal, sanitization, and steam duration to see which steam mops clean extremely well. Each cleaner has features that could be ideal for your cleaning needs, so check out the full list. The description has links with the latest prices. Let's get started. Number 5. GLOIL Portable Steam Cleaner. If you're tired of endless scrubbing with harsh chemicals, this compact device uses steam to easily remove dirt. The efficient heating element heats up quickly, providing continuous cleaning time from a single tank fill, similar to the SteamMaster 3000, but with a more compact design. Its versatility is remarkable. The comprehensive accessory kit turns this single device into a complete cleaning system. The precision angled nozzle reaches tight corners, while the fabric steamer attachment has saved many items. Unlike the CleanJet Pro, which is great for upholstery cleaning, the GLOIL offers a wider range of uses. For households with children or pets, the chemical-free cleaning offers real peace of mind. You're sanitizing toys and pet beds using only water. It does have some drawbacks. The steam output could be stronger for very tough dirt, and larger cleaning jobs will need refills because of the limited runtime. I found that holding the nozzle close to surfaces gives the best results, but this takes a little getting used to. The PowerSteam X5 has a slightly longer runtime, but it's not as conveniently compact as the GLOIL. Really. Even so, its performance on shower glass is excellent. What used to take a lot of scrubbing with chemical cleaners now just needs a quick wipe with a rubber attachment for spotless results. The generously sized power cord is well designed, allowing thorough cleaning without constant repositioning, a feature it shares with the FlexiSteam 200. The integrated safety lock provides important security, especially in homes with curious children. I've been very impressed with how well it handles kitchen grease. The high temperature steam dissolves cooking residue that would usually take a lot of effort, doing better than the SteamEase 100 in this area. The combination of effective power and chemical-free operation makes this steamer especially useful for households managing allergies or sensitivities. Users often choose it for its multi-surface use and small storage size. If you want an efficient way to sanitize and deep clean without harsh chemicals, this portable steamer is worth considering. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. Beldray 10-in-1 Handheld Steam Cleaner. Use this compact steam cleaner for a more natural cleaning approach, avoiding harsh chemicals. It turns ordinary tap water into powerful steam, effectively removing grease, grime, and stubborn dirt from various surfaces in your home. This device is particularly adaptable. With several attachments, including plastic brushes, a mini mop head, and an angled nozzle, it cleans grout lines and degreases oven doors effectively. It's great for spot cleaning in bathrooms and kitchens and includes more attachment options than the GLOIL portable steam cleaner. The 4-meter power cord offers good reach, letting you clean hard-to-reach areas without frequently changing outlets. Its quick heat-up time means you can begin cleaning quickly, faster than the SteamEase 100. The 250-milliliter water tank is well-suited to the handheld design, keeping the unit lightweight. It needs refilling for longer cleaning because it gives about 10 minutes of continuous steam. The cool down before refilling can be annoying for larger tasks, similar to the GLOIL's runtime. The steam button needs continuous pressure, which might tire your finger during long periods of use. If you have hard water, use deionized water to prevent limescale buildup and extend the cleaner's life. This chemical-free solution suits homes with children, pets, or those sensitive to standard cleaning products. It sanitizes surfaces well without leaving harmful residues, giving similar reassurance to the GLOIL for allergy-prone homes. Really, if you're new to steam cleaning, this Beldray model is a good choice for small to medium tasks. It balances functionality and value well, especially for specific cleaning jobs in your home. You can access all the product details via the link in the description. Number 3. TVD Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner 1.0. For those seeking a way to remove tough stains without harsh chemicals, this steam cleaner offers a refreshing solution. Using high-pressure steam, it effectively removes dirt, grime, and grease from your home using only water, eliminating the need for chemical cleaners. A standout feature is its ample 1.5-liter water tank, which allows for approximately 50 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. This extended runtime means you can clean several rooms without the hassle of frequent refills. The unit heats up in about 8 minutes, which is quite efficient for its size. The cleaner's versatility is remarkable. Equipped with 29 specialized accessories, it easily transitions from cleaning floors to refreshing upholstery, cleaning grout, and even removing wallpaper. Wow! Safety features include a secure handle trigger for controlled steam release and a steam engine lock to prevent accidents, particularly useful in homes with children. The 5-meter power cord provides excellent reach, reducing the need to frequently change outlets. Remember to let the unit cool down before refilling the tank. While this is standard for pressurized steam cleaners, it's important to plan your cleaning routine accordingly. The build quality is robust, and its compact design makes it easy to store and move around around the house. The powerful performance and adaptability of this steam cleaner make it an excellent choice for deep cleaning your entire home. Many households prefer it for its chemical-free sanitizing method and its ability to effectively clean a wide range of surfaces. If you are searching for an efficient way to thoroughly clean your home while being environmentally conscious, this steam cleaner is worth considering. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 2. Tired of using harsh chemicals that don't quite achieve that spotless finish? The Vileda Steam Mop is a great option, using only water to eliminate up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. This is particularly reassuring for homes with children or pets who frequently explore the floors. One of its standout features is the rapid 15-second heat-up time, allowing you to clean up spills and messes almost immediately. This efficiency is comparable to other steam cleaners, but with a larger cleaning capacity. The triangular head is cleverly designed to reach into corners and tight spaces that traditional mops can't access. Really, its versatility comes from its 3 adjustable steam settings, which let you use the lowest setting for delicate wooden floors, while the highest setting effectively cleans stubborn kitchen grime. The 400-milliliter water tank, complete with a viewing window, minimizes interruptions by reducing the need for frequent refills, offering a longer runtime than other portable steam cleaners. While the 6-meter cable provides sufficient length, larger homes may still require occasional outlet changes. Its lightweight design is helpful for extended cleaning sessions, preventing arm fatigue even after multiple rooms. However, users in hard water areas might experience mineral buildup over time, so using distilled water is advisable to prolong the mop's life. The pivoting head, while improving maneuverability, requires gentle handling to maintain its durability. The Vileda Steam Mop's ability to clean without chemicals is a major plus for households with allergy sufferers or respiratory issues. Its powerful yet gentle cleaning makes it a great option for those wanting to effectively clean dirt and germs. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 1. If you want a way to clean your home without harsh chemicals, the VAX Steam Mop Handheld Variable Control is a good option. A key benefit is that it easily switches from a floor mop to a handheld device, so it's great for cleaning different surfaces. It's built more durably than the Beldray 10-in-1 handheld steam cleaner. If you have sealed hard floors, kitchen tiles, or bathroom surfaces, the adjustable steam control lets you change the steam level for each job. It heats up fast, so you can quickly clean up spills, just like the Vileda Steam Mop. At only 2.1 kilograms, this steam cleaner is quite light, which helps when cleaning large areas or using it as a handheld for a while. It's very easy to maneuver, especially in corners where regular mops can't reach, like the Vileda Steam Mop with its triangular head. The package includes a 9-piece accessory kit, but some attachments don't feel as strong as the main unit. One small issue is the squeegee attachment, which sometimes comes off during use, making it harder to clean windows or mirrors. One thing to keep in mind is the steam time per fill, which might not be long enough for bigger homes, similar to the GLOIL portable steam cleaner. But for regular cleaning, it's plenty. The chemical-free cleaning is great if you have kids, pets, or allergies. Plus, it cleans grease and grime well without leaving residue. The mop heads are washable and reusable, which is good for the environment. This steam cleaner is versatile and effective, making it a great choice for busy homes with lots of different cleaning to do. Many users like that it can clean many surfaces with one tool, and that it cleans without chemicals. If you need a light, adaptable cleaner for floors to ovens, check this one out. You can find all the product details through the link in the description.